Here you are.
Thought I'd better take cover.
Look, I'm sorry about that. I don't want to involve you in my personal problems.
It's okay. Breakups are tricky. She obviously still cares for you.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean she has to drag you into it.
Look, I like you. But I'm not gonna make things harder by standing between you and April. I'm good with just being friends.
I don't think I am.
Okay, I'll keep my distance and
I don't want that either.
And what do you want?